that's challenged.
Yeah.
He called today because today is his birthday. And I said, well, yesterday was Abby's birthday, and so we were going to have birthday cake, and he goes, well, you told me. I said, happy birthday. Dennis says, happy birthday.
So that was a nice story.
He's like, yeah, go tell her happy birthday,
Ooh. Tasty.
No playing with knives. Wonder. No, don't be doing that either. I'm going to take a piece for sure to give to Steve.
Yeah, in the basement.
Get this piece to Steve. And
Oh,
then,
there, he gets big one.
I know, but that's because he's a big eater.
So yeah, that's my sister's birthday today. And in the comment section, say
Should I
happy
give him a
birthday,
smaller
Abby.
piece?